Hello guys, what's up, and welcome to another Monopoly Go tutorial video. In today's tutorial, I will be telling you how to remove partners from the Baking Partner event in Monopoly Go. As you can see, currently that event is not active for me. However, it is very similar to other partner events, and I have a screenshot of the Car Show partner event, which I will use to explain how to remove your partners, guys. If any one of the events is active, as you can see, if you click on the icon, you will get this screen. You can click the partner up button, whether it be for the Car Show or the Baking Show partner event. And when you click it, you can choose your partners for the event, and it will look something like this. This person has one friend already selected as their partner, and they have 3 empty slots, which they can click and add several of their friends to be a partner with them on the Car Show partner event, guys. Now, as I've said, the Baking Partner and the Car Show partner events are really similar in this regard, so this all works for both events. Now, sadly, I know I kind of led you on earlier. However, there is no way to remove your partners from the partner events, guys. Sadly, this is the case. If you want to change your partners, you have to wait for the events to be over, and once they're over, you can select new partners every time that a new partner event comes up. Sadly, this problem has no solution. However, I hope this video was informative. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.